Hey guys, it's Miss Borgnis. We're gonna be making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies today. So we're gonna get started. You always wanna have your liquid ingredients separate from your dry ingredients, and this is kind of part of the chemical reaction that takes place. So the first thing you need is a giant mixing bowl, and in there you're gonna put a half a cup of butter, and a half a cup is 1 stick. And brown sugar is a little bit different. It's kind of like wet sand, and if you've ever made a sand castle, you want to make sure that you pack it down so that it'll take the shape of the cup. And again, you're going to do it so it's over top because you want to level it off. Dump it in. See how it took the shape of the cup? That's how I know that I did it right. Into the custard cup. Now that time I didn't get any shells in there, but let's say that I did. I'm going to take part of the eggshell and dip it in, and it actually acts like a magnet to itself and will just attract and pull out. And remember that vanilla is really expensive, so we want to make sure that we're measuring it over top of something. Now when you measure flour, you want to make sure that you're using a spoon to put it in, because remember that air is part of the recipe. So you don't want to pack flour down or else your cookies will turn out drier than they should. We're gonna gradually combine our dry and liquid ingredients. I can't just dump these all in here or everything will turn out totally dry. So I'm just gonna gradually kind of dump some of this in and stir. So then we just want to make sure that they're even on the tray, and we can go ahead and put them in the oven. So we're going to set these on a surface that isn't going to burn or melt. We're going to get them off the tray right away because they're going to continue to cook if they're on that hot sheet. So we're going to put them right onto a cooling rack and let them cool for a little bit. These ones did get a little bigger than we wanted them to, but that's okay. Big cookies aren't always a bad thing. So there you go. There's your oatmeal chocolate chip.